presiding over the annual meeting of the Andhra Chamber of Commerce. The governor said, "It gives me an immense pleasure to be here to preside over the annual meeting of the Andhra Chamber of Commerce today and am indeed thankful to your association for giving me this opportunity. During the last 3 years or so, ever since I became the governor of this state, I had visited more than once the coastal districts as well as the other parts of the state. This has given me a certain amount of first-hand knowledge of the problems facing the people, and I can assure you I have been seriously studying them and also in my own way try to discuss with the authorities concerned the ways of tackling them. The importance of chambers of commerce such as yours need hardly be stressed. They have definite role to play in the present circumstances and are, in a sense, necessary institutions to safeguard the interests of the business and trading classes. With the increasing change of population from agriculture to industry, it is essential to regulate and divert the surplus population along such channels where they can be most useful and beneficial. There is equally true in the case of material resources as in the case of excess population. It is in this particular regard chambers of commerce can assist by positive and constructive suggestions in the establishment of industries that can meet the national requirements. They can also help the government in its drawing up and implementing the many schemes and programs under the various plans. We are today on the verge of the launching of fifth plan, and this opportunity can well be utilized to assess the progress of the fourth 5-year plan, where we have succeeded and where we have not. It is to be admitted that in spite of many problems, we have made good progress. Let me quote the fifth plan itself, which broadly sums up our progress. Among the features of industrial development during the past decade, which may not be noted, are those made in basic capital and producer goods industries, especially machinery and engineering industries. There has been considerable increase in the production of essential industrial materials like cement and coal. The country is now producing steadily increasing quantities of machine tools and machinery for use in agriculture and for cotton, textiles, sugar and vegetable oil industries. By the end of the fourth plan, much of the equipment required by the railways will be available from local production. The value of all kinds of essential goods produced in the country has risen to a great extent. All these achievements are no doubt significant and show the enthusiasm of the people to rise up from the state of steady progress and improve their standard of living to a considerable extent. But still, we are far away from our goal. Nevertheless, there is no reason for us to lose heart because we have made a good beginning. As it is often told, the distance is nothing, but It is the first step that counts. During the course of 15 years, so many new industries have been established in different parts of the country. Marked improvements have been made in agriculture, but we are not able to see fully all these developments because we are very near. Dear Sir, I am in receipt of your letter of 4th November inquiring about the availability of one or two shops in the All India Industrial Exhibition for exhibiting your goods of All India fame. Your representative also mentioned about this. I am glad to inform you that I will be able to meet your demand. As you are aware, this is an exhibition where goods of different varieties from all over the country are brought here and there is lot of demand for these shops. The exhibition committee will be meeting in a fortnight's time in connection with the allotment of shops to different people. Hence, you are advised to act with speed as up to the moment of writing this letter. We have received a good number of applications for this purpose. We are of the view that since your goods are of all India fame and some are sent to foreign countries also, they should have wide publicity and good sales in the market. So please make haste and let us know the actual number of shops you require and when the deposit money will be paid. You may be aware that last year some shops were allotted to some firms and they neither occupied these shops in time nor intimated us in advance about their inability to exhibit their goods. With the result, these shops had to be kept vacant, awaiting an early reply. Yours faithfully.